Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by ensuring the essentials are in place. Update both devices and back up the original iPhone because unpairing erases watch data. Once done, sign into the new iPhone with the same Apple ID and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the devices can discover each other. Tap Continue on the iPhone's Apple Watch screen when the watch animation appears. This starts the secure BLE handshake. Make sure the watch is charged and close to the phone. Since pairing uses proximity, you need to unpair the watch from the old iPhone to create a fresh backup and erase the device. Open the Watch app, choose your watch, and tap Unpair. This saves health and activity to iCloud automatically. After the watch resets, pair it with the new iPhone by scanning the animation and select Restore from Backup when prompted. This returns apps, layout, and preferences. During setup, decide which apps and notifications to sync, because only the new phone's authorized settings will apply to the watch. Finish by confirming health and activity data restored, and sign back into your Apple ID for iCloud, Messages, and Apple Pay. If you have a cellular Apple Watch, re-enable the plan during setup or contact your carrier, because plans don't always transfer automatically. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again, since Bluetooth hiccups are common. Also verify you're signed into the same Apple ID and that activation lock is off. If problems persist, erase the watch and repeat the pairing process to clear any stale state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.